This video is for Grade 5 Assignment 1, Find a Reliable Website. Your partner should currently be on Is My Website Reliable? And this is what they should see on their screen. First, what you're going to do is you're going to click File at the top and then click on Make a Copy. Then click the blue OK button. I recommend you pause right now, that way you can follow all of the directions and then play again when you're ready to proceed. Okay, next what you're going to do is you're going to share the copy with your partner. Click Share in the top right corner. And then you're going to have to type in your partner's email address, which will be first initial, last name, 23@hanoverstudents.org. I'm just doing my own, but everyone's partner will be different. It'll still follow the same format. And then you'll click on Send. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to open up a new tab. So click on a new gray tab up at the top. And then what you want to do is you want to do a search for a place in Massachusetts. So for example, right now I'm going to search about Faneuil Hall, and you're better off using the word about so that you know that you get information about the actual location. So then I'm just going to go ahead and click on a link. We don't want to click on Wikipedia, so I'm just going to click on this link right here and check it out. So then what I'm going to do is click up at the top where we see what's called the URL, right up below the tabs. And then what I'm going to do is hold Control and C, hold it down on my keyboard. Remember to keep pausing so that you know what to do. Okay, next you're going to go back over to the copy of Is My Website Reliable? And then underneath where it says URL of website, you're going to click. And then you'll do Control V on the keyboard. Hold it down, and then you'll do space. And you'll see it turns blue. Don't forget to keep pausing. Next, you're going to go back over to the website that you are looking at, and you're just going to click in the white space next to the URL. And you're going to look at the last black part. So in this case, it's .gov. That's what we call the suffix, the last black part. So we're just going to click and drag to highlight it. And then do Control C, hold it down on your keyboard. Don't forget to pause. You'll click back over to the copy of Is My Website Reliable, and then underneath where it says suffix.com.gov, you'll click, and then you'll do Control and V, hold it down on your keyboard, and so it pastes the .gov. Then the last thing you're going to do is give 4 reasons why you think that this website is reliable. Your samples are up here. So for example, professional appearance, if I look, it has a professional seal. So I can say that it has a professional seal. Now everybody's is going to be a little different. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go back and forth between the document and your website that you're using. So for example, I take a look. I know that it has a .gov suffix, which is more reliable than .com. So I'm going to say .gov suffix is a government website. All right, and so then once I've done that, I'm going to look for a couple other reasons. And in this case, we notice that there are no advertisements. There's no advertisements. And then they also have related links. So they have links to other similar websites. So those can be our 2 other reasons. So there's no ads, and then they also include links to other similar websites. And that's always good because you want to make sure that you can find a fact on more than one website. And sometimes it helps too if you just click on it and then you just click to see what those other links are. So for example, Freedom Trail Foundation, it's also another professional looking website. And then the last thing you're going to do is you're going to click back over to your copy of Is My Website Reliable, and you're going to share it with Mrs. Foley. So you click Share in the top right corner, and then you're going to type in efoley@hanoverschools.org. And please make sure that you spell it correctly, otherwise it's not going to work. And from that point, once you type that, you'll go ahead and click send. And that's it.